P network is going down by a lot, and if you're holding your back still, you need to watch this video. There's some urgent things that I want to discuss about P network, and some of you are saying it is not P network, it is Pi. I don't care. I care about the information that I'm giving in this video. Multiple times on the Crypto June channel we talked about Pi network, P network. I don't care, and I told you guys, hey, maybe it's a good moment to short at this point. Maybe it's a good moment that it is better to do the same there. And guess what is happening? We are going down, down, down. And one of the reasons that it is going down right now is that the whole crypto market is going down. If you take a look at the others chart, and this others chart is excluding the top 10 of CoinMarketCap and combining all these market caps together, and it gives us this chart. And we can see that we are down from the all-time high of December to here is 53%. It doesn't look like we are in a bull market like right now. And when we take a look at the previous cycle, we see that we have a top here, we have a pullback, we have a top, and then it was over. Is it over this time? We don't know, because this time is a little bit different. And the reason for that is, do you see what is happening here? Like, we have two tops and then we go down. But do you take a look at the Bitcoin chart? We can see here Bitcoin. And we see that Bitcoin was doing the quite opposite. If we look at the past, we see 2 times the top, then we're going down. But right now, we can see that Bitcoin was making a top and then making a new all-time high. And currently, it is very likely that from here we can see a potential new leg up to the upside. So this means that this cycle can be potentially a third top for the altcoin market. I'm not saying that it will happen for 100% guaranteed. And all of your favorite influencers who are doing that, you need to be aware of why they're saying that. Like, nobody knows. Even myself, I don't know. But I only showing you some data that from last time we saw exactly the same thing happens. But this time Bitcoin was making a new all-time high, and it looks like a different pattern compared to the altcoins. And you also notice that. So getting back to the project, the Pi network, we can see that it looks like that, but most of the time when the market recovers, these are the projects that got a lot of attention, a lot of people buying back into the market. Why? Because so many people had their eyes on Pi network, and the tokens are not unlocked yet. Like, some people have the tokens already, but the next batch is not right now. So what will happen is, if Bitcoin is able to recover, or the altcoin market is able to recover, these are the moments you want to DCA in if this is a project that you like. So that's something what I'm doing myself. Like, I'm not buying here because there will be for sure a pullback, and especially with so many hype and attention, there is always a pullback when the hype goes away. And right now we are at 53 cents. So to be honest, like, these are the levels that I'm interested in to buy more of these projects. And then when the market of Bitcoin is going for another upside, like maybe 20%, or I don't know, like getting back to 90k, 95k, this project has really potentially to get back to maybe 120, and then the first is like 100% up. That is the easy gains. You want to buy when other people are fearful and sell when everybody is greedy. And it is so super easy, but it is hard to do because you feel emotions. My point of view on the Pi network right now is the whole market is down, also this project. A lot of new people are inside this project, so they're scared, they're selling the backs, and they move away from the project. But once the market recovers, these are the projects that the people are buying back in out of FOMO, which results in nice price action. So if you like the project still and you think, hey, it has a lot of potential, these are the levels that you potentially can buy for yourself. If you don't like it anymore for any reason, then you move away. But if you're watching this video, you probably like the project. So I am buying myself, DCAing into the project. Let's see how it goes. And my first take profit will be 122. I'm not saying it will happen tomorrow or in 2 days, but I will keep you updated for more videos on the channel about Pi network. If you want to stay up to date, check out the Crypto June channel, like and subscribe, and I will make multiple videos about Pi network to keep you informed. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.